Hi, Dave with Regal Fabric here. Another quick tip here on this needlepoint rug that we're working on for one of our customers. As you might know, if you've seen any of our other videos, especially needlepoints, we always do a color fastness test for 24 hours prior to washing a rug. This rug came in a few days ago. We've done the 24-hour test overnight, and this is the result. As you can see from this white terry that was wet out with the detergents that we use to wash a rug like this, including the sanitizers to get rid of the dog urine that's been saturated into this rug for quite a while. It has moved these reds and some of this gold color. It came in with pre-existing bleeding on this green stripe here in the middle. And what happened was this was laid like this with weights for 24 hours. We pick it up and we look at the back, and you can see how this deep, rich rose color has bled onto the terry. So if it bled during our test, most likely during the cleaning, this red, the reds in the different areas will bleed out too. This was made by the mother of our customer many years ago. It's actually 6 individual panels that has been stitched together. There is adhesive here, which is another concern. And we have to test the adhesive to see if the adhesive is water safe, but sometimes that adhesive can dissolve. So what we're going to try to do is clean it, let the detergents do their work to sanitize the urine deposits, emulsify and remove the soils, and then get it dry very quickly so we can hopefully eliminate, or if not, at least limit the amount of bleeding. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. We always appreciate that. And again, thank you for watching. Hi, Dave with Regal Fabric here again. You'll recognize, if the camera comes down, you'll recognize this area rug, which is actually 6 individual pieces of a needlepoint. The prior video showed us the test results from the dye test and how the reds had bled. We had just washed it. It's still quite damp from the washing, but I wanted to show you why you don't use adhesives on the back of this rug. This is obviously the front of the rug. This is the back. They put, when it was made, an adhesive on it. And if you see this material, this is a gooey mess. This is the latex adhesive that is water soluble, which is a very bad thing for a rug like this. You can see how I can just scrape it off like that. And again, that's the adhesive they used to stick what was a backing over here, which has a purpose to protect the back of the rug, but you should use an upholstery adhesive that's not water soluble so that this mess doesn't happen. The problem with this is it might not, when it dries, it might still be sticky. And then also, when you're drying the rug, some of that can get so liquidy and gooey that it can transfer through the back of the carpet into the face or the top of the carpet, and then we might not be able to remove it. And it'll look like a big yellowish, brownish mess when it's all said and done. If you have questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching, and we'll show you the final results of this rug when it dries. Hey, it's Dave again with Regal Fabric here. I want to show you the final result. This is part 3. It'll be just a quick recap of what we did with this piece. This is a 6-piece needlepoint, all stitched here, 6 separate pieces that our customer's mother had made. We tested it for dye stability, which we always do. The reds and some of this gold bled in the test, but we were able to go forward with an relatively aggressive cleaning because of the dog urine that was all over this. Turned out well. I think the customer's going to be amazed at how well it turned out. The prior video showed the glue that was coming here. We were able to remove most of that. There is still some there, but when it dried, it did not, thankfully, bleed through and affect the face or the top of this rug. You can see if the camera comes in a little bit, you can see this green, this dark green, had bled out into the gold area. And again, that was there from the urine prior to the wash. The good news is it didn't get any worse, and no bleeding on the reds. The trick is, even when you have a bleeder, is to get it cleaned, all contaminants out, get it done fast, and get it dried even faster. That's very important. That helps prevent the bleeding, and that is what we did. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. We welcome all of them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you find this helpful, hit the subscribe button. You'll receive more videos like this.